Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to send an emoji in Gmail chat on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Emojis are a great way to add some flair and emotion to your messages, making your chats more engaging. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Ensure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be using. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, locate the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a list of options. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface where you can manage all your conversations. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Direct Messages. This will show you all your personal chats. Find the conversation where you want to send an emoji and enter that chat. Once you're in the chat, look for the text bar at the bottom where you normally type your messages. You should see an emoji icon there. This is where the fun begins. Click on that emoji icon, and a selection of emojis will pop up. Now, you can browse through the various categories of emojis, or use the search bar to find a specific one. Whether you're looking for a smiley face, a heart, or something more playful, just click on the emoji you'd like to use. After selecting your emoji, it will appear in the text bar, ready to go. If you're happy with your choice, simply press Enter to send it. Your emoji will now be shared in the chat, adding a delightful touch to your conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send an emoji in Gmail chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital communication. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.